Good morning, folks. We're starting with the measurement mission animation from Storm Helen atop Madagascar. We will come back to this storm during our space weather portion. The Ubinas volcano joined Merapi and the Aleutian Islands in Alaska as having volcanic upticks this week. It was a mid-sized eruption there. Tons of articles out today about the Arctic sea ice. Rather than rehash those, let me give you some perspective from the folks who really know the ice, the NSIDC. Despite what you'll read today, this is not settled science or ultimately predictable, as evidenced by Antarctica's blatant refusal to melt as ordered by the world leaders, setting new high ice records on top. South America is a crapshoot for thunderstorms today, higher than average moisture content overhead, even for the rainforest. Forecasts show thunderstorm potential over half the continent, at almost 100% of Brazil. There are two storm lines coming from those southern lows. One appears stuck between nations and the other is set to crest Tasmania by tomorrow. I've got the wind power overlay on the wind map here for Europe. The strongest weather is still on the southeastern portion of the low, the southwestern coastlines of the continent, bringing heavy rain and strong winds to Portugal y España. That's the orange you see on Europe's weather alarm. The Americas are still seeing lows boxing in the coastlines, but the top concern tonight will be for severe thunderstorms and a slight chance of damaging hail or even a tornado. You can really see how the two opposing air masses slam together while they work out major temperature, pressure, and moisture difference in no more than a 15-mile war zone along the convergence line. That's a lot of energy released to be felt by those standing below.